12-hour salt soak, a method my friend from Japan showed me. It makes sweet potatoes so soft, fluffy, and perfectly cooked. This method enhances flavor, improves texture, and supports digestion. Pat the sweet potatoes dry. This allows the skin to roast and lightly caramelize. No need to wrap in foil or pierce. They bake perfectly as they are. Melting coconut oil with sunflower oil creates a silky, balanced texture, rich yet fluid, so it coats the potato beautifully without becoming too heavy. You can also use vegan butter instead. Don't discard the chickpea liquid. Aquafaba can be used for baking, sauces, or vegan mayonnaise. Store it in the fridge and use anytime. Lightly mash some chickpeas while keeping others whole. This creates a creamy yet textured filling with more depth and a satisfying bite. This is one of my favorite toppings. Warm, silky, and deeply savory. It melts into the fluffy potato and enhances its natural sweetness. My husband loves this one. Fresh, zesty, and perfectly balanced with creamy and whole chickpeas in every bite.